I make this book Christmas tree every single year and it's adorable. It's literally so simple to make that I thought I'll show you guys. So for the base, what I do is I just take something nice and sturdy. This was just a large photo album case, and I started stacking on books. Just go in descending order. So you put your wide, really large books down. Board books are great as well. You can use hardback, paperbacks, whatever you want. Board books just give it a little bit of shape and help it to stay centered. Just pretty much go size wise until you have your little books right on top, until you have that nice Christmas tree look. And now's my favorite part. You can just add some really beautiful ornaments, add them in different scales and different sizes, add little Christmas snowflakes, pine cones, little Christmas balls, stars, and just make it seem really nice and sparkly. For the star, I just chose like a large snowflake because it was so pretty. I added some double-sided masking tape to just hold it in place, and some fairy lights because you all know how obsessed I am with fairy lights, and it just looks so festive, so pretty. Some pine cones down to just add to the festive cheer, a little present, and personalized ornaments. I'm just a sucker for personalized ornaments. And there you have it. The detailing is just so beautiful in these book Christmas trees, and you saw how easy it literally was to put together. So try it.